Come on, man, what are you doing? Sky Pimp must be properly iced out, man. Get them jewels up there, man. Shit. Motherfucker got some glowing eyes. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Sky Pimp gotta be properly iced out, man. Motherfucker's hungry. That Sky Pimp is hungry, man. He wants some pears. He wants some apples. He wants some oranges, motherfucker. Motherfucker's hungry. Give him your offerings. Don't make him bitch slap you. Look, he's getting angry. Hurry up, man. Give him your offerings. He wants them all. Nappy-headed avatar, motherfucker. Those aren't apples. What are you trying to pull here, boy?
I only had potatoes and red paint. I'm sorry.
Sky Pimps are not pleased, boy. Get out of here.
Bring your asses. JERO, your Sky Pimps ain't nothing but an excuse for bad fashion and loose prostitution laws.
Don't deny it. You want this grape Kool-Aid, Talaria?
Fuck what I want your grape purple Slim Jim ass. Shut the fuck up. You can't handle this. Anyway, stop telling people that Sky Pimp bullshit.